Wow, cool stuffed animals.
I envy his magnificent collection of animal toys.
When he was with his sister Ratina, they were happy.
It's such a pity that he lost her.
Take it easy, okay?
Where is that toy store located? I want to go there.
Such a cute toy. There's even a version with a crib, a magnificent toy.
This is so cool.
Fresh mango loves you guys.
This patient looks dissatisfied.
The intern is in a great mood.
Working in this mode is a real pleasure.
I can't stop laughing.
How is it possible?
Of course, he'll let such a cute little monster through.
He is a real hooligan. A slimy monster? It looks pretty creepy.
Sheesh, that's wild.
Oh my god.
Is that pepper spray? That's something new.
This only enraged the monster further.
Is she pregnant?
No, there's just someone hiding there.
It would have been better if he hadn't crossed paths with them.
I think it's really cringe.
But they really are cute.
That is why it is hard for them to part with them.
Wow, they decided to play golf.
I didn't catch whose ball it was.
It looks like Ron from accounting.
Wow, that was awesome.
No way! That's insane!
Bro is playing Surgeon Simulator in Roblox.
I'm screaming. This is too good.
He wants to change the store's product range.
Okay, but what's next?
Wow, he changes the items in the shop so often he must be looking for something.
You were right, he was looking for a gun.
Brew, what did I just watch?
Cringe, cringe, cringe. That's it.
It looks like this monster is out of luck.
Wow, he healed her.
This is my new favorite thing ever.
That's sus.
Wait, what? I can't even.
What is going on here, guys?
Please help me. Of course.
Wow, that's the police bunny from Zootopia.
Yes.
Of course, she is not a monster.
So cool. I can't believe this.
Yummy.
You need to give her a carrot.
Oh.
It looks like the treatment is going very well.
By the way, he looks a bit like Mario.
I wonder if he loves coffee just as much.
I want to know what's next.
This is unhinged.
I'd rather watch paint dry.
She is definitely pregnant.
First of all, she needs to be put under anesthesia.
So, what will she take?
I'm here. You are there. We're the great team. Let's continue.
These children look like you.
I'm probably their father.
Why is it so cringe, but I can't stop watching?
You need nerves of steel to work in this hospital.
Guys, this is so funny.
This deserves more views.
Papa. Hey. Mama. Hey.
I can't. My tummy hurts from laughing.
This lives in my head rent-free.
How did they dare to fire him?
I'm confused, guys. I'm confused.
Haha, he decided to infiltrate posing as an accountant.
Excellent camouflage.
Oh, what a bummer.
Excellent medicine delivery right to the 3rd floor.
I'm here. You are there. We're the great team. Let's continue.
Why are they unhappy with the medication? Did delivery take too long?
This is my new favorite thing ever. He failed to go unnoticed.
Be a little more careful.
He stole all the medicines.
These aren't medicines. They're animals.
Whoa. I want to know what's next.
That video was fire. It looks a bit eerie when you first see those eyes on the ceiling.
Bring the maple syrup immediately.
You really know your stuff.
The main thing is not to lose your head and to keep your wits about you.
Cringe, cringe, cringe. That's it.
In the end, he completely lost his mind. Oops, I should have checked the photo right away.
Cringe, cringe, cringe. That's it.
Haha. Now they've swapped roles.
I'm screaming. So good.
Let's go. So yeet.
I love these kinds of transformation videos.
Okay, that was a super good.
Good-looking security guard.
This little one doesn't want to drink milk.
He most likely loves coffee just like his dad.
Wow, you turned out to be right.
Children always resemble their parents, and not just in appearance.
Ha, he's got a stun gun.
Yeah, that's hilarious.